Welcome to TradeTheNBI.com. This is John. This reports for the 24th of April. Well, we're just doing exactly what we expected here, which is just continuing that gentle slide higher. We talked about this before with this reset of the short-term buyers in the steel, the fact that Cyan completely under. What we were looking for was some activity from shorts. We started to see that towards the end of the day. So this breakout into the new highs finally activated them just slightly, and you can see short-term buyers in the pre-market just a little ease off of the positive extreme. So we're likely to revisit that little breakout pop into the new highs, and then just again, it's one of those things that just keeps a little bit going, and it's a little reading change. Nothing you need to worry about other than just follow what is. I mean, we knew the NASDAQ was already stronger. Too boring to continue to go over that, so let's just whip through them all. Euro right back down at the base, filling in. Well, we've reset now every time we've gotten into this low range. So this is a critical spot now, because a breakdown from here will create a whole new range that'll bring us back down towards the lower end of my expectation, which was in that 108 category. We've moved well away from that 115 plus point, and that's just the continued uncertainty of what's going on over there versus the growth that's happening in the U.S. at this time. And gold, not a whole lot to add when you're that far below the red line until that changes. We're not expecting anything, not to mention decay and that shakeout. Nothing to do there. Likewise, from a 5K standpoint, this just turned green and went boom, and then finally up at the peak is when it gave the weak signals. But you know, after that kind of run, it's likely to hold on. But even if you wanted to play with the short, this is not doing anything there until we got over to this one, closer to the highs, and boom, that one actually is retraced decent amount. Nothing too spectacular, 5 or so points, but hey, just all beautiful. Nothing more to add to that than just keep on trucking with it. So this is good stuff going into the beginning of next week, which would be the preparation towards the start of a new month, and I think we'll start to see, like we were talking about, expected the volatility to increase, and this was a good indication of it right here. This happened to be one directional, doesn't mean that it has to bounce back and forth, but just that you're going to get expanded ranges. I will be in Rome all day for tomorrow, so I don't think there will be a report, but there will be one for Friday, because I'll be back late my time Thursday evening, which means the market will be just about closed by the time I return. But if I get an opportunity, I will put it together at the end of the market today, and if anything significant happens, we're pretty much in autopilot here as it is this particular time. So we'll keep you updated. As always, though, trade well. We'll talk again later.